Hey everyone, okay, so a little bit of a different video today. We'll call it the shaming of the woman, the shaming of the mature woman. So, I thought about this, and this is something that I've spoken about many times, but I've got a deranged fan. Now, this fan likes to leave comments that he thinks is going to upset me. Now, he never upsets me because I just don't care. But he does his best, and I see him and I think, oh, you've created a new profile again, you freak, and then I just block him. But anyway, so this guy popped his ugly head up again, and this time he said something like along the lines of, all the filters you're using in your videos and you still can't filter out the wrinkles under your eyes or around your eyes, whatever it was. And I was just thinking, what are you talking about, you nutcase? I don't know what you're talking about. And I mean, fine, whatever, say what you want, you know, don't care. But it got me thinking that it's so true that people will, you're not allowed to grow old, particularly women. You are going to be shamed if you haven't had Botox, if you haven't had this done and this done and this done, if you don't look decades younger than your years. And I don't know, take my glasses off, I don't know why that is. You know, if you know me, you will know I couldn't give two shits about the wrinkles around my eyes. Couldn't give a shit. That's the truth. Don't care. Fine, bring them on. Bring on the wrinkles. There are other things in my life that I worry about. I worry about my mother-in-law who's got advanced dementia. I worry about that a lot, every day. That concerns me more than what's going on here. There are a lot of things in my life I worry about. The wrinkling under my eyes is not one of them. Don't care. The thing is, with men, it's more acceptable to have wrinkles under the eyes, to have wrinkles all over your face. You're still allowed to be hot if you're a man and you have wrinkles. You're still allowed to date somebody that's 30 years younger than you. That's just the way it is, and it's less acceptable for women. And women also feel the impact of invisibility a lot more than men do. Now, it affects everyone as we get older. We become less visible, less people look at us, less people turn their heads when they see us. And it affects us, it does. But it shouldn't do, and it shouldn't be that way. We are shamed for getting older. It is a blessing to get older. Not everybody will get older. And we shouldn't be running from it. It's not that we shouldn't be using skincare and doing all the bits and pieces we want to do to look our best. Absolutely. But it shouldn't be our sole focus. If your sole focus is your skin, your wrinkles, there is a major part of your life that is missing, because that shouldn't be your focus. Your family, your friends, your loved ones, the things you love, they're your focus. Looking after your skin is great, but not at the expense of taking over your life. You will get older. I don't care what anybody says. Hopefully you will. You will look your age. You know, I saw recently with the whole Kris Jenner thing, and she had this facelift, and you know, great, you look amazing. You still look like somebody that's had stuff done to them. You're not fooling anyone into, oh God, you look so good, you look so natural. You don't, okay? It doesn't look natural. It doesn't look natural to be that age and look like that. It looks like work. It looks like plastic surgery. And if that's what you want to do, hey, I'm all for that. I'm not against that. But also don't be fooled into thinking that it looks natural, that looks normal. It doesn't. I honestly believe people should do whatever they want. Botox, fillers, plastic surgery, anything you want. Do whatever you want. I'm not opposed to it. I choose not to get Botox because it doesn't work for my face shape. That's it. Firstly, I had it for like 4, maybe 5 years or so, consistently. It got rid of all the wrinkles in my forehead, which I was really sad about now because I really like them. But when I had it around my eyes, it sort of did this a little bit, but it didn't really work. And what it did was push all the wrinkles under the eyes. So I didn't get the bunny lines. They all went under. So everything here moved under here, which was like, okay, that really defeated the purpose of doing it. It just didn't suit my face shape. If it did, I'd probably still be doing it. But do whatever you want. Do whatever makes you happy. But at the end of the day, you got to be happy in yourself as best you can, and you've just got to not give a shit. You know, these things are going to happen. Accept them. and accept the life you've got and focus on the life you've got and less on this, and I think everyone will be a lot happier. And honestly, women get shamed all the time for getting older. It's absolutely outrageous. It needs to stop, but I don't think it ever will. The pressure on women to look younger, it is immense. I would love to know your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.